Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we're diving into the world of retro-inspired peripherals with a focus on the Race GT wireless typewriter keyboard and mouse. If you're someone who appreciates the charm of classic typewriters but wants the convenience of modern technology, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the unique features of this keyboard and mouse combo, its design, and how it can elevate your typing and computing experience. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Race GT wireless typewriter keyboard and mouse. This combo is all about blending nostalgia with modern functionality, providing a comfortable and satisfying typing experience while maintaining convenience. One of the standout features is the typewriter-style design of the keyboard. It's a delightful throwback to a classic era of typing. The keycaps have a unique shape and feel, offering a typewriter-like experience that's both comfortable and satisfying. If you're a fan of vintage aesthetics, this keyboard is sure to catch your eye. The Race GT combo simplifies your setup with a shared USB receiver for both the keyboard and mouse. This means you can connect and use both devices without the need for multiple dongles or cables cluttering your workspace. With strong and reliable 2.4G wireless connectivity, you can work or play from up to 10 meters away. To ensure efficient power usage, the wireless typewriter keyboard goes to sleep after 8 minutes of inactivity. The wireless mouse follows suit, entering power-saving mode after 5 minutes of idle time. Simply move or click a button to awaken them. These automatic power-saving settings help conserve battery life when you're not actively using the devices. Despite its typewriter-style design, this keyboard is surprisingly silent. You can enjoy the tactile feedback of the keys without disturbing your surroundings. The ultra-silent button mute design of the wireless mouse also contributes to a peaceful and comfortable environment, whether you're in a quiet office or at home. Race GT has crafted these peripherals with high-quality materials, ensuring a comfortable feel and durability. But, if for any reason you're unsatisfied with the keyboard and mouse combo, their customer service team is available 24 hours a day to provide professional assistance. A particularly practical feature of the wireless keyboard is its splash-proof design. This safeguards against accidental spills and liquid splashes, allowing you to continue working or gaming without worrying about damage from liquids. Cleaning the keyboard is a breeze, thanks to removable keycaps. You can easily detach them for access to the surface underneath, making it simple to clean dust, debris, or spills. Maintaining a clean and hygienic keyboard has never been easier. In a nutshell, the Race GT wireless typewriter keyboard and mouse combo is here to upgrade your computing experience. Its unique typewriter design, wireless convenience, power-saving features, and silent operation make it a versatile addition to your workspace. That concludes our in-depth review of the Race GT wireless typewriter keyboard and mouse. If you found this video helpful or if you have any experience with this retro-inspired combo, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of classic style and modern functionality. Thank you for joining us on the UK Pro Reviewer channel, and we'll catch you in the next review.